How we doing, guys? This is Alien Light. Most incredible, unbelievable, amazing, dark matter. You can see it. See? Particles, slits, waves. Never ever seen before. Evidence. We are immersed, receiving these longitudinal waves, constant, dating back to the creation, the beginning of time. All life throughout the galaxies. This is evidence of the Akashic records, the ether, the field. All creation since the beginning throughout the galaxies. These particles of waves of dark matter interacting with light, creating consciousness, interaction of consciousness from both. This is an amazing conscious discovery. The world must know. Humans, all of us. This is how universes were created. Our planet was created by this particle of waves interacting with light. Dark matter forms galaxies, planets, Earths, civilization, carrying the ether, the Akashic records of information in these waves. The universe, darkness, is consciously informed, constant. There must be consciousness, order, information, organization, memory. If not, how could it exist, right? How could any of this, all of this, and everything of this exist if there's not constant information, constant order, constant signaling that we are all receiving, all, everything of all, constant, in the form of the immersion of memory, information, signaling in the form of DNA. And this is what we are also showing, the DNA. We're showing particles of waves of DNA, conscious now. The particle is of all conscious moment before moment of time signal that no life cannot exist. Timing, precision of time is so critical. I mean, it's beyond what the comprehension of the human mind could understand. How timing and signaling is encoded in our DNA, and the constant of that signal, the intelligence of this. And this is what we're trying to uncover with consciousness, evidence. Right now, look at this experiment. Dark matter in waves, constant. They never ever. This is in an infinite time dimension that humans cannot comprehend. It is hard for us to understand the dimension of time and the signaling waves of dark matter, energy in the cosmic universe. Human perception of time is only in our planet, in our timing of it. But I believe it is connected to the universe time in our perspective. But in other time dimension, that time can be multi-dimensional. It's just complicated. And I won't go to where I'm not sure. So, but I do know that time in the universe, organization, memory, information, and the signal of love, that's a thing I must mention, is encoded. Intelligence in the field of the conscious signal that we are showing. It's just so, how do we uncover the layers of this? How do we begin to even? Who are these other civilizations out there in the galaxies? How can we make contact? We know they exist. We know it, absolutely, and we all exist in this field. And not knowing, I see them, we see them, the invisible beings that we're all immersed in. I see them everywhere. They're in these dark particles. When I zoom in on dark matter, I see images of silhouettes of faces and eyes. Everywhere, 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 everywhere. There are invisible observers consciously observing us, constant. This is so strange. It is so, so strange, and I have evidence of it. The world must know of this invisible, conscious creation of a universe of life that must exist in some form, in some dimensions, in all existence. And we interact with this in the form of love and coherence, synchronicity of this creation. We must connect with the particles that they are signaling in. We already are, right? But it is time to connect at the higher dimension of this signal, knowing of it. And this is what we're doing. We're showing images of DNA, light, sunlight, the signal that gives form to our intelligent consciousness and lets us know what the particles are in this invisible dimensions. These dark waves look constant. Now, in certain forms, I see the wave moving at a more rapid rate. These dark particle waves, they do accelerate. They move faster when more exposure to radiation, more exposure to light seems to, but also the exposure to light makes them not dark, but yet they're still interacting with the dark matter, but they become light. And that's another strange phenomenon that we post and share. It's just so amazing. We really need to support and help of the public to make this conscious discovery. Thank you so much from Alien Light. Invisible submonatomic world, quantum physics. Amazing discovery. Thank you. Love. Please share. Help us go viral. We're on Alien Light 102.